You are watching hobbykit, a one-stop tech gear.
Hello everyone, welcome to hobbykit channel. I am such a lazy person that I even can't read my PDFs or files. Rather, I would like to listen if someone reads for me. So, for that, I have created a Python project and this project reads the PDF for me. Yes, of course. The laptop reads the PDF out and I will listen to my PDF rather than reading the PDF. So for that, open Python. It will take some time. Let me fast forward it. Yeah, if you don't know how to install Python in your Windows 10, I have already made a video on how to install Python. I have provided the link in the description as well as the iCard. Yes, just clear all this code. I will just clear this code. Yes, and I will open my terminal and I will say to my pip to install pyttsx3, that is Python text to speech converter. So the PDF consists text, so that text will be converted into a speech and the system will read out the PDF. So for that I have installed pyttsx3 Python text to speech library. Now I will import this library. Import pyttsx3 in 1 second. It is been processing. Yes, import pyttsx3. I have imported the library and then first I will take speaker, a variable speaker, and in that I will initialize the Python text to speech. Python text to speech dot init. Init means initialize it. That's it. I am initialized Python text to speech, and then I'm giving some text as hi. Yeah, I should put it. I have given the hi as a text. So now speaker dot say text. So the speaker will say the text and the text was hi, and last line speaker dot run and wait. So now we will run the program and there was an error. Oh, sorry, my terminal is not able to install this package. Anyhow, I will open my settings, project, and click on Python interrupt, click on plus symbol and search for the library pyttsx3 and click on install package. So our package will be installed. Yes, it is installed successfully. So now I will run my program.
Hi.
Yes, you heard right.
Hi.
These lines of code has spelled our text hi.
Hi.
So let us proceed. We will install one more package. For that, Ctrl Alt S and click on plus symbol and search for the library called PyPDF2 and click on install. Now your library will be installed. The library was installed successfully. So let us write for the PDF function. I will first import my PDF. Import PyPDF. It was PyPDF2 library. I have imported my library PDF, and then first I will drag my PDF into this folder. Click on refactor. Yes, I have given a folder. In my book is equal to open. I would like to open the PDF called PDC, and the name of that PDF is pdc.pdf. Make sure .pdf must ensure, and then RB, and then first PDF read is equal to PyPDF2 dot first we need to open the reader so that PDF file read, and in that I need to read the book, and the book inside was the PDF. So now pages. So page is must and should. Page is equal to PDF read dot number of pages, num pages was the function, and then so now we will create to read out this PDF. So I will create a for loop for num in range, say it as the PDF will starts reading from first page, comma until the end of the page, and I will give a tab space here. Okay, and inside this text, one second, yes, so first let me get the pages. For that I have given this get pages, and then inside my text I will be giving pages. So these pages will be read out by the Python text to speech converter, and I will extract the page.extract text. So no need to give a space, I think here. Yeah, it was pretty good. It was not pages and it is a page. Okay, our code is ready to read out the PDF. So first let me open this PDF, pdc.pdf. So this was the page number 5. So I need to give number 4 here. One error. Yes, I have forgotten to give this one. Yes. Now let us run the program.
Unit
If
I.
you like this video,
Probability.
do like, share
Probability
and
introduced
subscribe.
through UG sets and relative frequency. Experiments and sample spaces, discrete and continuous sample spaces, events, probability definitions and axioms, mathematical model of experiments, probability as a relative frequency, joint probability, conditional probability, 2. And independent events. The random variable. Definition of a random variable, conditions for a f function to be a random variable, discrete, continuous, and mixed random variable. Distribution and density. Functions of binomial, Poisson, uniform, Gaussian, exponential, Rayleigh. And their